Hey there, engineering enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the top instruments you need to master for measuring electrical signals. Whether you're a budding electrical engineer or a seasoned pro, these tools will be your best friends in the lab. First up, the multimeter. It's the Swiss Army knife of electrical measurement. With a multimeter, you can measure voltage, current, resistance, and even check continuity. It's perfect for troubleshooting circuits or just getting a quick read on your components. Trust me, get comfortable with a multimeter and you'll solve half your problems right there. Next, we have the oscilloscope. This device is your go-to for visualizing electrical signals. It displays waveforms, so you can see the frequency, amplitude, and phase shift. If you're working with AC signals or anything that changes over time, an oscilloscope is indispensable. It's like having X-ray vision for your circuits. Onto the signal generator. This nifty gadget generates test signals for measurement. Whether you need a sine wave, square wave, or any other waveform, a signal generator has you covered. It's crucial for testing and calibrating your circuits, ensuring they perform as expected under different conditions. Then there's the logic analyzer. This instrument is designed for analyzing digital signals. If you're working with microcontrollers or digital circuits, a logic analyzer helps you capture and debug the logic levels and timing of your signals. It's like having a magnifying glass for your digital data. Last but not least, the spectrum analyzer. This tool measures the frequency spectrum of your signals. It's essential for radio frequency, RF work, helping you see the different components of your signal in the frequency domain. Whether you're designing antennas or troubleshooting RF interference, a spectrum analyzer is your best bet. So there you have it, folks, the top instruments for measuring electrical signals. Master these tools, and you'll be well on your way to becoming an electrical engineering wizard. Keep learning, keep tinkering, and most importantly, stay curious. Until next time.